In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on a Shopify app. If you've been pondering the idea of trimming down your monthly expenses or simply want to declutter your Shopify store by getting rid of apps you no longer need, you're in the right place. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your app subscriptions. First things first, you need to head over to Shopify's website. It's important to go directly to the source, and Shopify's official site is where everything starts. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your store's URL, email, and password ready. Logging in is the gateway to your digital storefront's backend, where all the magic happens. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you have access to everything from product listings to analytics. However, for our purpose today, you'll want to navigate to the apps section of your dashboard. This area showcases all the apps you've currently got installed on your Shopify store. Within the apps section, take some time to browse through your list of installed apps. This is a great opportunity to review what tools you're using and maybe even reconsider some of the choices you've made in the past. Identify the app subscription you wish to cancel. It could be an app you no longer use, or maybe it just isn't delivering the value you expected. Once you've made your selection, it's time to move on to the next step. Next to the app you've decided to part ways with, you'll find a delete or uninstall option. This small yet significant button is your first step towards cancelling your subscription. Clicking on it will initiate the process to remove the app from your Shopify store. It's a simple action, but it's always good to pause and make sure you're ready to let go. Some apps might store data or settings that you won't be able to recover once the app is uninstalled. Moving forward, after you've initiated the uninstallation, Shopify will likely ask you for feedback or confirmation. This is a standard practice designed to help app developers improve their products. Feel free to provide honest feedback based on your experience. Following the uninstallation, you're not quite done yet. Shopify handles app subscriptions and billing directly, which means you'll need to adjust your billing settings to ensure you're no longer being charged for the app you just uninstalled. Navigate to the billing section of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here you'll find an overview of your current subscriptions, charges, and other billing information. Look for the View All Subscriptions option within the billing area. This will give you a comprehensive list of all the subscriptions tied to your Shopify account, including recurring app charges, Shopify's own subscription fees, and any other miscellaneous fees you might have accumulated. Find the subscription for the app you've just uninstalled and confirm that it's either been cancelled or that there are no future payments scheduled. This step is crucial because uninstalling an app doesn't automatically cancel the subscription payments associated with it. You need to ensure that you won't continue to be billed for something you're no longer using. Shopify makes it fairly straightforward to manage these subscriptions, but it's always good practice to double check. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling a subscription on a Shopify app. These steps are designed to not only help you save money, but also to maintain a clean and efficient digital workspace. Shopify is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs, and managing your app subscriptions effectively is a key part of optimizing your online store. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review your app subscriptions and the tools you're using. The needs of your business change over time, and so should your Shopify setup.